Hi guys, how are you? This is Neri Omar and I just finished for you this makeup tutorial. It's my third fall makeup tutorial, smoky, but different smoky. Do you like it? If you like to know what I have done, what products I used, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and keep watching. The makeup tutorial will start now. I'm excited. I'm back. I primed my face, I primed my eyes, I primed my lips, and I will tell you by the end, as my usual, all the products I used. I choose today a very nice Chanel eyeshadow palette. I will try to find it for you in Poshmark. Blurry Gray. I love this collection. It came, I can't remember how many years ago. It was blurry green, blurry gray, blurry mauve, I think. I bought the blurry green and the blurry gray. So nice. And speaking fall, this is what I'm going to wear today. Okay, and again, smoky. You will get tired from me about the smoky. You know that the fall for me is smoky, but I will try to change it up a little bit. And different shades, different colors, different palette. 3 Victoria Beckham Satin Kajal liner. I don't know which one I will use. Have the black, ash, sea gray. I will swatch it for you to see all of them. Wow, gorgeous. Sea gray, gorgeous. Black. Okay. Ash. I think I will use the ash. Is the one. Sea gray, black, and ash. Shukuhudu. This one. This shade. Crease, above the crease a little bit too. And those palettes are very easy to work with too, by the way. I dyed my hair yesterday, that's why I wanted to do this makeup tutorial. Because the peak of my hair, nice, the first 10 days, and after that start the white hair come out a little bit in the corner here. This is very nice shade too. Okay, see, blend like a dream. And then I will take pencil brush, I will take the Chanel one with the same shade. I'm wearing casual today, Saint Laurent t-shirt and jeans, Lafayette, New York, 148 jeans, which one of my favorite jeans, by the way. Classic. I like the cut, on me at least. Most probably sneakers. Okay, Neri, try to connect them here as much as you can. Dolce&Gabbana one here. That. And blend. Outer corner. And blend in the crease. The same one here. It's only the first quarter here, okay? See? When you start using darker shades, try always get little by little, blending little by little. With the same one here, I will take a little bit from this one and tap, 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 tap. With the same one, this one, Chanel. I know it looks ugly. To the same under here. With the same first big blush brush, clean it all and just blend. A flat SURRATT eyeshadow brush, gorgeous one here. Tap, tap, tap. Transfer the look to another level. Finish the rest. Come back to it. Let me clean the pot and Efficace SISLEY. It's a new fresh bottle. Okay. See, not that much. That's it. The black first. Ash is, I will put it in this bottle. I put the black on the top, and here I'll put the ash. I will use Chanel mascara. My both Chanel mascara start to be out of juice. Not yet, but I still love this mascara. Apply my foundation, my DIOR foundation, Chanel concealer, and I will come back to you. Okay. Back, I decided to do my eyebrows to bronzer from Dolce&Gabbana. It's limited edition, but now they have very nice bronzers as well. I love Dolce&Gabbana, you know that. And then here, I have this brush too. Marc Jacobs. Marc Jacobs. Synthetic, of course, but very soft. My nose. Nice, nice. Hourglass Luminous Flush. Oldie but goodie. Love it. Smile. I can't believe long time ago when they just released those blushes, I didn't like them at all, at all, at all. Very interesting. Now, say how dare me? How dare me? How dare me? My nose. Love it. With the muscly de port. Blooming Cherry. It's limited edition, but the powder itself, it's available. The brush from Chanel. Yep, very good powder. And then highlighter, Hourglass Strobe Brilliant Strobe Light. Yeah. Oh, see. Love it. Oh, nice, 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 nice. Still, I didn't decide. A lipstick. Love it. Use it for my eyebrow in the inner corner. Oh, gorgeous. To complete the look. I love those. Little bit here. Yeah. Dolce&Gabbana. I will take both. This one and this one. Just that. Yeah. Let me have another heavy little bit mascara done for badass. I want to have longer lashes for the smoky. Yeah. Better. Yeah. Yeah. Let me go wear my accessories and my jewelry and come back for the lipstick and recap. Don't go anywhere. Guys, I'm done. This is my hair, this is my accessories, jewelry. I picked blushing pink Cocoa Bomb. Can't remember. I will write down for you everything. I love this shade. I love this formula. Cocoa Bomb, yeah. Blushing pink. Very light, I know. Yeah. Last touch is my perfume. I will wear today J'adore Eau de Parfum. I love this one. This is very good. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. So now let's recap what I have done today. Okay. As always, I start with primers. Le Blanc Rosy Light Drops from Chanel and Le Beige Face Primer Frosty White. Okay. I'll write down everything for you guys. Tom Ford Emotionproof eyeshadow primer. My lips, the numéro 1 de Chanel, but I don't know. Lively Rosewood, I think. Cheek, lips and cheek balm. I love this one. Was on my lips. It's very good product, very good. Eyebrows, I used SISLEY Paris Phyto-Sourcils Fix #1 and Victoria Beckham Featherfix Crystal Clear, DIOR Flash Foundation and le correcteur de Chanel. I want to finish that. Face powder, I use Clé de Peau Blooming Cherry, very good powder. I'll write down for you everything, and I have stuff as well. I found it like limited edition and it's not available anymore. Poshmark, they have it. There are very good prices and you can negotiate too. Okay, I use the Volume de Chanel mascara. I will put the picture on the eye add Tom for the Badass mascara to make it more thicker and longer. Eyeliner, I use Victoria Beckham Satin Kajal liner, ash and black for waterline. Ash down here and up there the black. It's very good. My eyeshadow palette, Chanel 322 Blurry Gray. Yeah, I love it. Definitely speaks fall, it speaks smoky. I love it. Bronzer, Dolce&Gabbana, limited edition packaging. The bronzer, it's very nice. The blush, Hourglass Luminous Flash. I love this one too. Highlighter, Hourglass Brilliant Strobe Light. The one. And I put it in eyebrow bone and the inner corner too. Very good. Lipstick, Coco Bomb Chanel Blushing Pink. I will put it in my Tom Ford lipstick pouch here as a mirror. Take it with me out. The last touch is J'adore Eau de Parfum. That's it. I hope you enjoyed my makeup tutorial. It was quick, but I wanted to do it for you because I just did my hair and I love it. However, it's short, but it will look more healthier now. And I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.